What are Trello and Asana?
Trello and Asana are two popular task management apps designed to help you organize work, projects, or daily tasks. While both help you keep track of what needs to be done, each offers a different approach. Learning about their features can make it easier to decide which one suits beginners the best.
Which app is easier to start with?
Most beginners find Trello easier to start with because of its simple, card-based interface. You move tasks between columns like sticky notes, making it very visual and intuitive. Asana offers more structure and options, which can be useful long-term, but might feel a bit overwhelming at first.
How do Trello and Asana organize tasks?
Trello uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. Each card represents a task that you can drag between lists. Asana uses lists, tasks, subtasks, and projects. It provides more built-in organization options, so you can add more detail, but it requires a little more setup and planning.
What features matter most for beginners?
Trello shines when it comes to simplicity and quick setup. You can see everything at a glance and start organizing right away. Asana offers more features like task dependencies, timeline views, and detailed tracking. These are powerful, but can be less necessary when you're starting out.
Which has better free features?
Both apps have free versions. Trello's free plan is generous, letting you create unlimited boards and cards. Asana also offers a solid free plan with good task management features. However, some of Asana's advanced tools are paid, while Trello keeps things simple and accessible for most beginners.
Final verdict, Trello or Asana for beginners?
If you want something simple, visual, and quick to learn, Trello is usually the best choice for beginners. If you prefer more structure and plan to manage complex projects as you grow, Asana is a great option. Try both to see which matches your style and needs.